Hey y'all, so I made it to the airport. I'm checked in. The lines were super duper long. So I'm about to go to my gate and have a seat until it's time for me to board my plane. I was really nervous being that this is my first flight by myself, but also my first international flight. So we shall see what the day brings. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.
Dope voice music.
Alright guys, I finally made it to Cabo. I am in the airport and I'm trying to get my forms and then also get my luggage and then off to the Airbnb after I have to wait for my friends to get here. So I will update you guys in a few. I'm already about to. Y'all, finally Leash has arrived. She is here, so I won't be here by my lonely. The other people have already arrived as well. They're probably about to go through customs right now, so I'm super duper excited for everybody to be here so we can go to the Airbnb, get settled, and get ready for tonight. Yes, on my second drink. She has to catch up. My tongue is blue, but yeah, I'm super duper excited to be here. I've been in this airport for a while, so I'm ready to go. But I'm not, like mad at it. So I will update you guys when we get to the Airbnb, and I'll see you then. Y'all, so we are in the van. We're on the way to the Airbnb. Me and my friends are obviously having a good time. Say hey, Claire. This is the birthday girl. Birthday bitch. So we are excited. Their luggage won't be here until tomorrow morning, but
fuck that shit. I got close to my beach. Yeah,
somebody's a little drunk. But anyway, yeah. So we're on the way to the Airbnb, and I can't wait to get there to show you guys how it is. So I'll see you guys. Oh my god, this is like Bad Girls Club all over again. Did I get everything?
It's just Asia bottom.
Okay.
Oh, yes. Don't record me.
How much get the drink back? Hey, birthday girl.
I'm just ugly.
This is upstairs, you guys. Very nice. Got a mirror here. What's up? The room and everything else is downstairs. Hey Claire, birthday girl. Messiah. And then we're gonna go downstairs. So this is the first room. Bathroom. This is cute. Oh, this is really cute. Real cute. Hey y'all. And then we're gonna go over to me and Leisha's room. Well, this is the extra room, so me and Leisha are not staying here. But me and Leisha are staying in here. Really, really cute. My bathroom and shower. Really cute. So yeah, super duper excited. So yeah.
She wanna fuck it on the beach. 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 She wanna
My friends are retards, but say hey, Leash. This is my sweet mate for the night, for the weekend, for the whole entire trip.
We're pretty crazy.
Good morning, guys. So it is currently like 6:30 in the morning here in Cabo. Me and Leisha are up. Well, she's halfway up.
I'm gonna go back to sleep. I'm just closing my eyes.
She gets some shut out, like the old people say. But oh my gosh, guys, like I love the house. I have to give you guys a tour once everybody gets up. But we have had so much fun so far. I'm super excited for today. Literally, I've hung my clothes up this morning over there in the closet. And so, yeah, I'm super duper excited for today. I know we're gonna do brunch. We're cooking our own brunch. We cooked dinner last night, which was fun. And yeah, so we're gonna cook our brunch and then we're going to get on the yacht today, do dinner, go out clubbing or something. And so we're gonna have a lot of fun. So I'm super duper excited. Everybody's literally up. Me and Leisha been up for at least an hour. She's threw up and everything. TMI. But we've had a little fun morning. So I will update you guys once we are up. And you'll see what the day brings.
I'm coming. Fuck you talking about? Bitch, you a lazy asshole. Get your ass up, bitch, while I can put a shot in your throat. I know for really good. I know what's really with that bitch going.
Get my refrigerator. Them pork chops.
Oh, see, she on the great bang. Oh, my.
Because of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep because of me. It's giving a real good Bad Girls Club. I almost fell. Birthday girl, get up. Hey guys, I am back and changed for the yacht, and I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. So let me get my purse. So I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. We are getting ready to go on the yacht, and I'm feeling myself, y'all. I'm feeling myself. So let's start off with the shades. They are from Fashion Nova. The earrings, I'm not sure where I got the earrings from, but I've had them for a while. I got my lipstick from Huda Beauty, and then my bathing suit set was a full piece, and then a skirt from Pretty Little Thing. My purse was gifted from my friend Destiny. My Desi gave me this. And then I got my sandals from Shein.
But check this out, bitch. That's low, that's medium, and that's high.
She got a thing.
Not us. Not us, bitch.
So yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. It's turbo, bitch. I know I had a turbo.
Say hey, y'all. Hey. We on the way to the yacht. Yacht bars. Super duper excited.
No, it ain't easy.
boys music.
So you guys, we've made it to the yacht and we're about to get on the boat.
No, for real though.
So excited.
Is that weak?
So we have a photographer that's coming on the boat with us and we're walking to our yacht now. Woo!
Dope boys music. Dope boys.
So you guys, I just came from being in the water. I am trying to currently dry, but it was a great experience. I can't swim, so I was a little nervous. I was a little scared, but we were in the water. The boat is anchored down, but we just took some more shots. We're about to eat on the yacht, and we are going to still sail some more. So I just want to keep you guys updated and let you guys know what we're doing. So we're about to eat. We have shareable, so it's 2 persons per plate. So good, I can't wait. You guys excited? Yeah, me. Looks so good.
We already shared food. I don't like it.
Period. So you guys, we're back at our Airbnb location, but we're now walking to the pool. We just got back from the yacht, but I guess the ladies and gentlemen couldn't get enough of the water. So here we are walking to the pool. It's cute. El Negro back there.
Okay, cool. I got 3 bathing suits. We need to make it work.
All the kiddos are out. So you guys, we just left like a secret nightclub. You can't record or anything in there. It's kind of like a strip club, but we are about to head back to the Airbnb. We had fun. We brought in Claire's birthday. She turned the big 26. And so yeah, I couldn't really record in the strip club, you know, rules, but we had a lot of fun. So stay tuned to see what we do tomorrow. Y'all, it's Friday and it's Claire's birthday. She turned 26. So today we're gonna find a brunch spot. We're gonna try to go to Granny's Comfort Food to get some brunch, and then we're gonna be riding ATVs today, and we're also gonna go camelback riding, which I'm super duper excited for. So once again, stay tuned so you can see how it goes. I wanted to show you what I'm wearing right now for brunch. So my two-piece set is from Shein. It's really cute, like jersey stretch material. Has the drawstrings right here. Cute top, I really like it. And this is a size 2X. And then I have my bag from Forever 21. I've had this for a while since I did my partnership with them. And so this is what I'm wearing. And then on my feet, I have some cute sandals that my best friend got me. I believe they're from Shein. And so yeah, this is what I'm wearing to brunch just to get started. So we are going to Granny's Comfort Food, as I might have stated earlier, and I will update you guys on what I get and how the food tastes. So we made it to Granny's Comfort Food. Hopefully it's good. It's really pretty.
I always say
I walked in y'all the whole time. Let me pay attention to get off my phone.
Ooh, it's nice. ATV time. Everybody get on their all black for the ATV. Say hey. Birthday girl, you ready to go on the ATV?
came at the wrong time. She confused.
We'll add her in later. So cute. Only for tequila tasting. Cute. Hola. Tequila tasting.
Tequila tasting. We know.
So he's gonna give me his favorite 3 to try. So which one do you want me to try first?
Which one should we try first?
Look, if you're not too much, if you don't drink too much tequila, I have to say like the favorite tequila. Oh, you like tequila? Alright, then try the Blanco right here.
Which one is your preferred one?
Yeah.
Back home. Which one of you guys prefer brand?
Casamigos.
Casamigos, alright.
Okay, you gotta get me.
But you guys
Taking my
only do
shot.
shots or you guys sip also?
We do shots.
We do both, but
We like that hard stuff.
you gotta get me straight.
Oh, my bad.
No, like this. Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
Very precise with the YouTube, okay?
Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that's one.
Okay. Which one is this?
It's for him.
Oh, it's for me?
Oh, this for you.
Alright, look, try the reposado.
No.
Alright, look, the reposado for you. This right here is aged for 6 months. 11 months.
Ooh.
And this right here is the añejo. This right here is aged for 3 years. This is for sipping.
Ooh, you wanna try this one?
There you go. Is it like the same three, sir?
This one's a little milder. I like this one a little mild. A little more
The
mild.
reposado, yeah, the reposado is very good.
Yeah.
The reposado is mostly meant for shots.
Oh, I look like a Egyptian.
Before we go on the tour,
We stopped for the waterway.
I'm looking like you said, Kim.
We have to go down there. Krystal on the bike though. Not whipping that four-wheeler. Period.
I know my best friend should give class.
Yeah, you might as well start doing something. Yeah, I don't think nobody would have done no shit like this. All this, she's a travel agent.
Dope Boys Music.
I asked my makeup stylist, Thank you so much.
Good morning, guys. So it's Saturday. This is our last full day in Cabo. We leave tomorrow, but we are about to get dressed for the day. I'm putting on my bathing suit. I do have a skirt cover up to go with it, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. So this is from Shein. It has a gold buckle right here, really cute, pink and black cheetah print, and this is probably not a high-waisted thong, but I guess you can say a bikini. Well, it's not a bikini thong. I forgot the name of this type of cut for the underwear. It's not brief, but it's high cut, high leg. So this is what I'm wearing today. And we are also going jet skiing, so I'm super duper excited about that. And yeah, so I will update you guys on whatever else we do today, and I will talk to you guys later. I'll keep digging in the sand. Guys, we just got off the jet skis. It was so fun. I really enjoyed myself. So I think we're about to.
Lisa said it was. No, I did some wild,
Talking too loud.
I did some wild drift shit.
So I think we're about to walk the beach and see what the views are looking like.
Hey, I panicked when I got in the water. I grabbed into that damn thing so fast.
Jet skiing was fun. 10/10 recommend. I was nervous. I was nervous. Still nervous actually, even though I'm not on it anymore. I can't swim, so that's a disclaimer. But I had so much fun. So yeah, I can't wait to see what we do next for the rest of the day. And yeah, you guys, we just got finished eating and having a couple drinks. Now we are, I guess, I don't know if this is considered the hospital or just like a you know, mini doctor's office setup, but we just got finished taking our COVID test. A couple of my friends are still taking theirs, so we'll get the results in 2 hours, and then they'll determine when we can come home. So let's hope and pray for the best. But yeah, this is just a little setup. They have a tent there. You go in there, they swab your nose. Of course, they take your ID or your passport, and it's just a simple process. So we'll get the results in our email in 2 hours, and then they'll determine if we can catch our flights back home. But in the meantime, I'm probably going to wait, and then I can check into my flight, and then I'll be all set to go. So after this, we're probably gonna go home, maybe drink some more, but just chill in our Airbnb for the rest of the night, unless we do decide to go out tonight, but I doubt it because we all have to be up early to catch our flights in the morning on Sunday. So I'm not sure if we're gonna hang out some more, but if we do, I'll record it. But if not, see you guys later. Bye.
Dope boys.